What's up, y'all? It's the hippie Chrissy. I'm back with vlog. I'm back with Vlogmas day. What we in? Day 8. I don't really got nothing going on today, honestly. I'm just gonna make some baked spaghetti today. And I might, yeah. And I'm also, I don't know, I'm feeling a little today. So I think I'm going to go ground myself. I'm going to go sit by my tree and just get some inspiration. But today is Monday. And yeah. So that is all. That is it. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification just so that you know when I post videos. And yeah, stay tuned for the vlog today. Vlogmas day 8 and 9. Okay.
Peace.
Eyes are blue. Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no games. Chemistry. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
What's up, y'all? I am outside in nature. Today's kind of rough for me. I believe only because I be in my head. So, you know, when I'm feeling a little down, I come out in nature. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm by my favorite tree. This is my favorite tree. And yeah, I'm just sitting on my little cot. I'm about to read a book. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to read a book. It's The Blueprint, How to Write a Raw and Powerful Story. It's by Khadijah Grant. Really good book. I started reading it. I'm like right here. I got a lot to go, you know. And I brought my notebook. I'm about to write some stuff. And yeah, Princess out here with me. Princess, come here. Prince. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here, say hi to my vlog. See y'all, Princess. She out here with me. She out here with mommy. And yeah, that's what we doing. So yeah.
Give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around,
What's up, y'all? So I'm about to cook some food for the fam again, and even though daddy already made rice and meatball, like, who does that?
A nigga who's hungry.
A nigga who's hungry. And look
Really,
at you,
nigga?
you gonna eat that too. Y'all better don't beg for my spaghetti, babe.
I'm the one who gonna eat some of that.
Eat some of what?
Whatever you're making.
Yeah, forgive me.
Anyway, y'all, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I got my ingredients
It
over
looks
here.
good.
Anyway, I got my ingredients over here. I got the shreds, mozzarella.
See how good
I got these
stuff.
crumbles. I don't really like these, but it's okay. I'm gonna use it this time. Sour cream, the vegan sour cream, and I'm using 2 sausage. I'm cutting up in there. Oh yeah, and spinach.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Okay, it's in the oven now. And yeah, I think I put it for 34 minutes. 34 minutes, and I'm ready. Ooh. Daddy, you already ate and you're eating again.
You know what it's called? A man eating, you know, on his way to living.
Is it
No.
good?
As usual, whatever this creative hippie make,
I like this.
always good. No matter what hour, what time, what day, what year, what month, girl good enough. She turned me on, she make me turn on to spaghetti. But I usually have spaghetti, you know.
What?
You need a meatball.
Daddy? No. You're making a mess.
That's what has happened now. I can't find my mouth now, you.
Mommy, is it good?
Very.
She wouldn't mention nothing.
What's up, y'all? So I got my spaghetti. Can it show? Why my spaghetti don't want to show? Come on now. It don't want to show. But y'all, this vegan spaghetti is busting. But y'all, this is how I'm ending the vlog. It was a good day.
Really, nigga?
Only thing I will say is that I don't really like the crumbles from Beyond Meat. The crumbles from Beyond Meat ain't really busting like that. That shit awesome. Drink y'all water. So yeah, peace, y'all. I'm about to finish my food. Peace out. Peace, y'all. What's up? It's the hippie Christy. Welcome back to my Vlogmas. Y'all, I just got up and yeah, I'm about to get my day started. I think I want to work on some business stuff today. It's long overdue. I need to check my emails and just organize some things. Okay, so oh yeah, and I got some content to do today as well. Yeah, y'all don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification just so you know when this hippie posts videos. And y'all, what else? I feel like I got something. I'll probably be back. But yeah, stay tuned for the vlog. This is Vlogmas Day 9. Vlogmas Day 9. Okay, what's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm about to sage myself real quick, and I thought I would do it on camera just so that if you got any bad energies today, you can go ahead and get rid of them, and this should make you feel better. I just want to give some positive vibrations out there, put it out there for y'all, for the hippie gang, okay? So I get rid of all negativity, all bad vibes, and wishing you a lovely day. A lovely day. Okay, we're gonna let that burn right here. Okay, so y'all, I got a box. I got a package, honey. I got a package. I think I'm opening the box upside down. We're gonna do this right. Whoop. Y'all, I cut myself.
Really, nigga?
Y'all, be careful with scissors, okay? God, I'm always doing something to my poor skin. Look. Okay, so got all this stuff in there. Ooh, it looks well packaged. Alright, so I got it in this little box. Ooh. I got it in this little box. It says, love your life. Love your life. And in the box, it says Conscious Smokehouse. Ooh. A nice cute little card. It says Cosmic Bliss, Mullen, Damania, if I'm saying that right, Mugwort, Wild Lettuce, Blue Lotus, White Lotus. And it says, take me out, LOL. Take me out of the clouds. Take me to serenity. Take me to the knowing. That's the thoughts that come to my mind when this blend was created. The cosmos, the skies, the as above, so below. The spaceship in a puff, honey. Take a ride on a fantastic voyage with this blend. Sit back, enjoy, puff, puff, bliss. Ooh, puff, puff, bliss. Okay. This is cute. Womb Wat Magic. Mugwort, red raspberry, passion flower, skullcap lavender, rose, clove, rosemary. This blend is specifically designed for women to nourish tonic, a nourishing tonic to support well-being through all changes and stages, especially during your menstrual. These herbs are all known for pain relieving, adding in PMS, cramps, and more. This blend is what you need. Your life-giving abilities are superpowers and need to be cared for, such as replenish yourself, for your womb is magic. Yo, this is so cute. And then I got a little message on the back from her. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Ooh, this is cute, y'all. This is so cute. Wow. Wow, y'all. So it comes in this cute little container. Oh my gosh, so cute. And these are actually herbal smoke blends. So it has two different types. It has Cosmic Bliss, and Womb Magic. Man, that's how it comes. That's dope. That is dope. Yes, I'm definitely doing a video on these blends. She gave me some calcite, orange calcite. How cute. It's a little stone. I don't really want to take it out the bag right now, but I'll show you guys since we're unboxing. Look at that. That's a pretty stone. This is so dope. I got a little stick to move around my herbs. This is so cute. I got, ooh, what is this? Is this a, I don't know what this is. Is this to like look at the herbs? I don't know. This looks like a magnifying glass. Yo, she gave me a fucking pipe. This is so cute. It says hip. It says hippie smokes on it. This is so cute. This is so freaking cute. I cannot wait to try these blends with this pipe. And what is this? This is cute too. So I got something else too. Is this a food blend? Ancestor blend for seasoning food has never been measured in. Instead is a whisper from the ancestors which says enough. The Soul Hearty Super Blend is curated from those oh my gosh, wow. I got me some seasoning, honey. You know I like to cook. You know I like to cook. Like, this is dope. Y'all, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I gotta take Princess a bath today. She dirty. And yeah, I'll come back on the camera if I got anything good. So peace. What's up, y'all? So I'm back with a package. So I said let me go ahead and open this on up. I got a package from LaShandra's Essentials, and I've been waiting on this because my scalp, you know, I've been talking about cutting my hair, and I'm still gonna do that. Y'all don't worry, there's gonna be a video on that, but I don't think I'm gonna cut it before my birthday. I'm gonna just wait, you know, till after my birthday. I'm gonna do a little style first, and then after my birthday's chop. Okay, she done sent me the oil, and ooh, it look good. Stop playing with her. Y'all see that? Wow. Like, oh my god, it smells so good. And yeah, I'll be back, or whatever, whatever's clever. Do it like it's every day. Hey. Taking a bath with Prinny. Rolling in the river, rolling in the river, rolling in the river. We rolling, hey, rolling, yeah. Rolling in the river. Daddy, rolling in the river. Ah, no, don't shake while I'm doing that. Crazy. Don't shake. La 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 la. I'm born again. And you're safe into my arms. I'm born again. Since you came into my life, princess, you are dirty. Princess, you are dirty. You are dirty girl. You are dirty girl. Princess, you are dirty girl. Yeah. You are a dirty girl. You are a daddy. You are a dirty girl. Daddy. Dad. You are a dirty little girl. Dad. What time does Pet Supermarket close? 9. Did you check? Princess! You have a dirty girl! Die! Come, we need a thumbnail. Come. The camera is about to die. The camera hard about to die. The camera is a hard about to die.
Really, nigga?
Alright, y'all. That's it. I'm about to dry her off and all of that good stuff. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next vlog. My camera about to die. But yo. Peace. Mwah.